Hello guys, these are my laundry. I just finished doing this laundries with my hands. I find out this morning that my washing machine wasn't working and these clothes I need them urgent, so I end up washing these clothes with my hands in my garden and with Fairy. The reason why I use Fairy is the washing powder I have is for washing machine and I can't use it with my hands. It might damage my hands, and I know washing liquid is for washing plates and we use our hands to wash plates and it doesn't damage our hands. So I was like, okay, since I'm going to wash this clothes with my hands, it's better for me to use Fairy, and I did, and it cleaned my clothes very well. It washed my clothes very well. So if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.